always wanted to know what is there inside the Bluetooth keypad. Now this keypad, this Logitech keypad has stopped working, so I'll be taking it apart and looking inside. And please, you are also welcome to look inside. There are a lot many screws that needs to be removed. So I'm removing all the screws one at a time, and then I'll be removing the back cover. That's the battery cover, that pink one. Yes, I have successfully removed the back cover. Now inside, what do we have? Yeah, we have a circuit. It's a sort of a circuit, laminated circuit. It seems like laminated. Plastic is there on both the sides. The keypad, the keys. Now I have to further remove the battery compartment and the circuit connecting the battery. Yeah, this is the circuit. It looks very interesting. And this rubbery thing is for pressing the keys on the circuit. Yeah, the main circuit. Now that dongle, that's how it got fixed to the keypad. So these are the things that I got from inside. The circuit looks beautiful. It's some sort of alien design. It looks like an alien design. Yeah, this is the main circuit which connected the battery with the keypad. And this thing seems to be broken, this small little part. I have removed the keys, and that's how it looks. So these are the keys. Yeah, so now I'm taking apart the Bluetooth dongle and looking inside. What is there inside? Nothing much that I understand. Lots of circuits. Well, that's all. So this is what is inside. Thank you.